Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Veganic Hair Oil. Now, one thing to note about Veganic or hair oil in general is that it is not for everyone. So it might work for you and it might not work for somebody else. So right here, as you can see, it is relatively rated 4.4 out of 5 stars. And here in Walmart, it is rated 3.4 out of 5 stars with a lot of mixed reviews. That is basically because it might work for some people, like for this person and like for this person, and this it doesn't work. So that is basically what hair oil is. So you should choose or do some research before buying hair oil for your hair. You should do some research before putting it on your scalp, since it may be harmful for you but may work for others. So before buying hair oil, you should choose which one is right for you and which one is not. So that is basically it. In general, you should do your research before buying hair oil. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.